Now, recently there was a news that in Afghanistan, in the past 6 months alone, लगभग 300 से ऊपर लोगों पे कोड़े बरसाए गए हैं, पब्लिकली कोड़े बरसाए गए, पब्लिक एग्जीक्यूशंस भी हुए हैं, एंड अलॉन्ग विद दिस देयर हैव बीन मेनी इंस्टेंसेस ऑफ स्टोनिंग पीपल टू डेथ, मतलब पत्थर मार के मार डालना. Now, let me point out that such kind of punishment, be it public executions, lashings, or kode barsana, or stoning people to death, all of this is prohibited by the Convention Against Torture and Other Cruel, Inhuman, or Degrading Treatment or Punishment. Sometimes, in short, this convention is also called Convention Against Cruelty. And if you check the website of the United Nations, this convention was adopted in 1984 itself. And interestingly, Afghanistan is also a member and signatory of this convention. Despite that, in Afghanistan, all these forms of corporal punishment or punishments which violate the Convention Against Torture is carried out. So the larger question that arises is, should any country in the world in the 21st century adopt such kinds of punishment, such forms of punishment, that too which has been prohibited under international law? Now, in case somebody has done something wrong, or some crime has been committed, or some law has been violated, then the best way is to give imprisonment or impose some form of penalty or some form of punishment that is consistent with international law, modern standards. And let me show you one more interesting fact. ये map देखो, all of the countries that have signed this convention or agreement are colored in green. Even Afghanistan has signed it and also ratified it. But one strange thing is that India has signed it, but it has not ratified it. So it is hoped that at least those countries that have signed and ratified should implement the convention in letter and spirit, and also India should ratify it. Now, one more thing I want to remind, if anyone wants to enroll in our crash course, 1 month crash course, they should do so immediately. A few more seats are left. Okay. So just WhatsApp us or call us on this number 7678 160 296. Okay.